Barbara is next on the line from Glendale, California. Hello, Barbara.
Oh, what a surprise. I got through.
Oh, it's a miracle. It's a miracle. We do everything we can to keep people from calling, and they still do anyway.
Somehow.
I don't know how it happens.
Previously on TWiT. TWiT News.
Welcome to Made by Google 2022.
I like Rick a lot.
It's great to be back in a room with y'all.
Well, the only surprise of the event, and it was even rumored, a stand for the Pixel tablet. A lot more details on the Pixel tablet, too. In fact, I'm already seeing people on Twitter saying, I don't really care about tablets, but the idea of a Nest Hub Plus that turns into a tablet is a pretty good idea. And I think we agree on that.
Hands-on photography.
And today I'm going to focus more on a particular tool that I rely on quite heavily. The tool is Scopes. Yeah, Scopes inside of your video editor of choice.
This Week in Google.
Elon says he's going to use Twitter to build an everything app called X. Buying Twitter is an accelerant, using that space language, to creating X, the everything app.
The turning Twitter into an everything app, I think that's a really great idea. The challenge is it is difficult in a way that Elon can't engineer around it. Even if he's able to do that, he's not going to be able to do that for years. And there's not really a good way to do it quickly.
If you missed TWiT this week, you missed a lot.